Traditionally, when you go to cut the excess material from bungs, a lot of people will use a chisel, sharp chisel, or they may use a saw, and that's fine. They work perfectly well. Some people use these oscillating tools. They all work. The only problem is that each one of these can gouge the wood if you're not careful. A little bit of slip either way of the angle, whether you're using the chisel, the saw, or the oscillating tool, you will mar the wood, the surrounding wood, where you're cutting the bung off. But a little thin piece of sheet metal, just drill a hole a little bit larger than the bung. It fits right over the bung. Now the oscillating tool goes on top of that, or the saw, or the chisel, and you can go ahead and take that bung off quickly, easily, without any fear of marring the parent wood. Simple little thing to do. This is just a scrap piece of sheet metal I had around. It's very thin, works fine. Try it. Doesn't matter which method you use. It'll, like I said, it'll work with the chisel, the oscillating tool, the saw. It all works, and it protects the surrounding wood surface. And then you can go ahead and sand everything flush. Hope you enjoyed this tip. Thanks for watching.